Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty by Amma here. In this video I'll be showing you easy way to mix your black lightening soap. Now let's go ahead with the video. Ingredient I'll be needing: lemon juice, aloe vera, vitamin E oil, carrot oil, apple cider, honey, rose water, kojic dip, glutathione syrup, flipino set, glycolic acid, glutathione powder, citric acid. And now this is the mixture. I get a clean bowl. I'll break the soap into pieces. Now we go ahead by mixing all the ingredients inside the soap. Now I'll be needing aloe vera inside, 1 teaspoon of carrot oil, 1 teaspoon of apple cider, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of kojic dip, 3 teaspoons of rose water, and then drop 5 to 6 drops of glycolic acid, a few drops of glutathione syrup, 1 teaspoon of flipino set, the powder, and spray the flipino set oil inside the soap. 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, and then that's it, and it's time to mix the soap. Now it's time to mix the ingredients. Make sure you mix the mixture inside the soap thoroughly. For the purpose of not making a long video, I couldn't show you guys the last bit. What I do at the end, I put the soap or the bowl on top of a boiling hot water. So that's how you achieve your lightening black soap, to get that glow looking skin. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave any comments down below for any suggestion. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.